friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is part fourth of lines and angles and important questions from R.S. Agrawal. Okay, so we are going to discuss today the important questions from R.S. Agrawal. So here is your question number one. Prove that the bisectors of the angles of a linear pair are at right angles. Okay, so here it is a given a pair of linear pair angle and the bisector of them is equals to 90 degree. We need to prove that. Okay, so to solve this question we first need to draw a figure. Here it is a line A, B and ray OC stands on it. Okay, so angle AOC plus angle BOC forms a linear pair, and OD and OE are the bisector. OD and OE are the bisectors of the angle AOC and BOC respectively. Okay, so first we need to write a given angle AOC plus angle BOC is equals to 180 degree, and OD and OE are bisectors. Okay, so we can write angle AOD is equals to angle DOC. Similarly, angle COE is equals to angle BOE. Okay, further solving this question we need to prove first we need to prove angle DOE is equals to we need to prove angle DOE is equals to 90 degree. Okay, to further solve this question we can write 2 times of angle DOC, 2 times of angle DOC plus 2 times of angle COE is equals to 180 degree. Why we write 2 times of angle DOC plus 2 times of angle COE is equals to 180 degree? Because angle AOD is equals to angle AOD is equals to angle DOC, and angle COE is equals to angle BOE. Okay, so taking 2 as a common, angle DOC plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree, and angle DOC plus angle COE is equals to 180 degree upon 2, which is equals to 90 degree. So we can write angle DOC plus angle COE equals to angle DOE. So we can angle DOE. Okay, so we can write it here. Angle DOE is equals to 90 degree proved. Okay, so this is your first question. Now we are going to for the second question. Okay, so here it is your second question. Prove that the bisectors of a pair of vertically opposite angles are in the same straight line. Okay, to solve this question we need to draw a figure. So here are two pair of straight line intersecting each other. Here's a pair of straight line A and B, C and D. Okay, intersecting each other at a common point O. Okay, and these are the bisectors OE and bisector OF. Okay, so we need to prove EOF is a straight line. EOF is a straight line. Okay, so we need to prove EOF is a straight line. Okay, so OE and OF are the bisector of angle AOC and BOD respectively. So we can say that angle COE is equals to angle AOE. Similarly, angle BOF is equals to angle FOD. Okay, so we can write here angle AOE plus angle EOC plus angle COB plus angle BOF plus angle FOD plus angle DOA is equals to 360 degree. Why they are 360? Because angles complete angle around the same point is equals to 360 degree. Okay, so we can write here 360 degree. Further we can write 2 times of angle AOE. Why we write 2 times of angle AOE? Because angle AOE plus angle AOE is equals to angle EOC. Angle AOE plus equals to angle EOC. So we can write 2 times of angle AOE. Similarly, we can write 2 times of angle BOC is equals to angle COB is equals to angle DOA. So we can also write angle 2 times of angle DOA. Similarly, we can write 2 times of angle FOD. 2 times of angle FOD. 2 times of angle FOD is equals to 360 degree. Okay. Now further, taking 2 as a common, angle AOE plus angle DOA plus angle FOD equals to 360 degree, and angle AOE plus angle DOA plus angle FOD equals to 360 degree upon 2, which is equals to 180 degree. Okay, so angle EOA plus angle AOD plus angle DOF is equals to 180 degree, and when these angles form 180 degree, sum as a 180 degree, so we can say that EOF is a straight line. So we can say that angle EOF is a straight line. ठीक है. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe more. Thank you.